Welcome back to the channel. I was on Facebook Marketplace and I saw that a guy was selling some new old stock kits, and I saw this kit and I just couldn't resist it. It's the Wacky Racing Fred Flintstone version. This kit was made in 1996 and it's still sealed. Let's see if the decals are still in good condition. Okay, it's time to kill the resale value of this. Now it's worth half of what I paid for it. Now it's worth a third what I paid for it. Cool body, slab side. It's got the roof vents here. Pretty smooth actually, not too much cleanup. I'm surprised. Tell you the truth, I've never owned any of these NASCAR kits. Never really had any interest, but Fred Flintstone brought me to this one. Kind of cool. NASCAR chassis. Wonder why they would put sink marks right there. And here. Look at that. 1990. Huh. Pretty nice engraving. There's a front end. This looks like it'd be a pretty easy kit to put together. Yeah, this doesn't look bad at all. Some sink marks there, I'll have to fill those in. Seat's kind of cool. Some slicks in here. Not bad. Uh-oh. One little clear piece here. Must have fallen off the tree. Chrome's in actually very good condition. I don't know how much this is actually supposed to be chrome. I guess I'll have to ask like Clay or something. He'll tell me. Chrome's in really good shape though. Let's see what else is in this box. Instruction sheet. Let's see, glass. Glass has got a little bit of box wear to it there. I'll polish that right out. And now the moment of truth. Are you ready? Kind of yellow. I was kind of expecting this. Maybe I'll put it in the window, see what happens. Because otherwise this is a $5 kit. Yep, I'll put it in the window, see what I can do with it. But there's no cracking or anything in it. It's just yellowed. So hopefully I can save it. Cool livery though, huh? Like Fred Flintstone, Dino, Gazoo, Muttley, Barney. Lots of fun. So I guess that answers my question. 25-year-old decals, even if they're sealed, they're probably yellow. So, I'll put them in the window, let them soak up some sunlight. We have plenty of that here in Arizona. and hopefully they'll bleach out and I can use them. I taped the decals to the window for 2 days and let the sun bleach out, and I think it did lighten it quite a bit, and I think that they may be usable. I cut the words off of the page, and I will try these on a spoon to see if the carrier film is yellowed or is it just the paper. But I think that it worked. I think that maybe I can save these decals. I went ahead and pre-assembled the whole NASCAR kit in white glue. It's pretty neat. That chrome is kind of glaring, so I think I'll strip that. These tires are made of vinyl, so they're kind of actually sticky after all these years. I ran into a few little fit problems here and there. Some of that is just held together by just a big glob of glue, and I think that that's worrisome in the final assembly. But all in all, I think it's not bad. Am I going to spend a lot of time building this car? Absolutely not. I don't think it's really worth it. I think that a box stock build of this model wouldn't really be all that impressive. So what I'm going to do, put it right back in the box. And put it away for a while.